Listen to this one. Doctors say you should not hold in your sneezes. A new report highlights the case of a 34-year-old man who suffered an injury to his neck from holding in a sneeze. They say the force of the squelched sneeze sent air and matter,
Oh no.
crashing into the back of his throat. Doctors found air bubbles in his soft tissues and a small tear in his trachea.
What?
He didn't need surgery, but he wound up in the hospital for 2 weeks. Sneezes, they say, can produce pressurized air at speeds of up to 100 miles an hour.
That often happens to us when we need to sneeze on air.
Yep.
And we always look at the lights because it's some kind.
No, that makes you sneeze.
Yeah, but you get it out fast before we're on air.
During the commercial.
Yeah, commercial.
Get your sneezes ready. Speaking of commercials, go ahead.
Still to come tonight right here on News 8.